Wondering what is this ChatGPT and which company does it works like, who has founded it. So let's just understand about ChatGPT and about the company who has came up with this kind of an idea. So the ChatGPT is created by OpenAI. It is based in San Francisco, which is in USA. And if you talk about the founders of ChatGPT, then the first name comes is Sam Altman. So he is the president, and now he is CEO of OpenAI. Then comes Greg Brockman, who is now the president. Ilya Sutskever, who is the one of the AI researcher uh, in all over world, and Wozciech Zaremba, he is an AI scientist, and John Scullman, key researcher behind reinforcement learning. So they are actually the founding committee member of OpenAI. Let's now talk about OpenAI. OpenAI is a non-profit organization. In 2014, they came up with this kind of a idea of developing safe and beneficial artificial intelligence for humanity. But now they has changed their idea and they have become profitable organization, and they raise investment for building large AI models. So they have came up with different AI models like ChatGPT, DALE, this is image generator, Whisper, it is speech recognition, and last one is Codex, it is coding assistant. Let's now understand the history and evolution of ChatGPT. It started from 2018 when they came up with GPT-1, which was literally a small language model and showed very early potential but limited capabilities. Then comes GPT-2 on 2019, which was much longer, larger model and generated surprisingly fluent text. Then comes 2020, and then it launched GPT-3, which has 175 parameters, and it was a breakthrough in natural language generation basis for early GPT versions. Then comes 2022, like after 2 years, they have came up with 3.5, and then GPT-4 on 2023, then 4.0 and 4.0 mini on 2024, and now in 2025 they have came up with GPT-5 and 5.1. So like after 2022, it gained more popularities and it became very large models, like it touched 1 million users in 5 days when they launched 3.5 gpt, and then it gained the pace and became a very frequent users, and almost it has been used by everyone, like in this whole world. So this is how it became since like after late 2022. Now we are going to understand how we can use the canvas mode in ChatGPT. Okay, so this particular mode is generally used to do some kind of creative task. So let's just see how it can be used. So I have used a prompt over here, and I will be using canvas mode, and I will ask ChatGPT to perform. Okay. So over here, I have asked ChatGPT to come up with 30 slides PPT on ChatGPT itself. So ChatGPT is going to create a PPT for its for this tool only. So it has came up with the idea, and you can see it over here. It has, see how slide wise it has explained what are the points going to be there in these slides. It has explained everything. Title slide, what is ChatGPT, history of ChatGPT, about OpenAI, founders of OpenAI, investors, supporters, everything. See how details he have put and planned the PPT for you. So the canvas mode is for doing any kind of creative work, like you want to do a script writing, uh, blog writing, all this kind of creative things can be done through canvas mode in ChatGPT. Now we will be understanding the tool which called as dictate. So you can see if I take my mouse pointer on this microphone sign, it says dictate. So if I click on it, it will listen to my voice and then it will write it down on the chat box. So let's just do an example over here. So I will just click it and see it is listening. Please develop a picture for me where a tiger is sitting in a deep forest. So after I dictate what I want to generate as a prompt, I just click on the right click, and then you can see like what I have said, it has actually written down in a text format in the chat box. So once it has been done, you just have to click on this arrow button to command ChatGPT to develop the prompt that you have asked to do. So now you can see it is developing and it is creating images, it is saying, and image is getting developed. So it has named the image as majestic Bengal tiger forest. It has understood that I belong from Bengal and I want to develop an image of a tiger from Bengal only. That's insane. So it's still now developing. So now you can see that image is getting created, and you can see the picture of a tiger. Yes. Now the image is totally created, and you can see the tiger is sitting in a desert, sorry, in a forest. And the how I have command, it has created accordingly. So, like which we were trying to understand, we can dictate what we need to write rather typing it manually. You can just dictate whatever you want to make ChatGPT to work on, and it will definitely type it.